Hey YouTube, it's Sean. No, it's been a while since I made a video, but we're back. Got this little Honda generator here, and carburetor is an issue, and this fuel shutoff is an issue, and the big coil of hose is an issue. But the biggest issue is the guy tried to get more power out of it by never ever do that. Mess with the governor, put your own spring linkages in it, you know, don't do that. See up there? And this is the biggest issue right here. Don't do that, okay? This is an AVR generator. It's supposed to run at the rated voltage and the rated speed. And you can really mess up the AVR, and you can mess the engine up by doing that. So, alright, I'll bring you back. We're gonna rip this up, take it apart. Hang on. Ooh, yummy. You can see where the float was sitting on the back side of that. Yummy, huh? I say we need to fix that. Alright, let's do that. Alright folks, we cleaned all that carburetor up, and that's the best I could do with that. Scraped it good with the stainless steel brush. Blew it out with carb cleaner, but that's the best we could get it. That'll have to work. Alright, hang on. Next we got to put some new fuel line on there and a few other things. Let's see if we can get this thing run. Maybe. We'll be back. Well, I'd say we had some water in the tank, guys. I mean, it's lots of water here. Amazingly, I'm out of breath from moving it, but getting kind of, just getting kind of lazy. All right, here we go. The tank looks pretty darn good. There's a little bit of Charleston chew down there, but yeah, it's not bad at all. So I'm gonna let that sit here for a minute, but we got all that out of it. Yeah, see, it's dry right there, and it's dry over here where I was working mostly, but over here, man, that thing was, oh gee, I'm surprised it's that clean, that tank. Alright, we'll let this sit here and dry out or drain out for a bit, and we're going to see if we can get this thing running. Hang on, guys. We're on our last stretch here. Alright guys, guy said it would not run at a high altitude very well, so I took his little carburetor jet out, took my carburetor drills, jet drills, and scoped it out a little bit, just a little bit, a couple sizes bigger. So I'm going to go put this back up in there, and I'm going to see if it runs better. Hang on. There, guys, here we go. She's a smoker, but it's the best I could do. I think it's because he's running the governor open. We're gonna find out if it'll leave. Take over here. fix it to our best of our abilities, guys, for what we had. I mean, if it was me, I'd rebuild the engine, rings, rod, hone the cylinder, go through the generator head, you know, that kind of thing. Well, it still puts power out. It's time to do it, but not mine. So here you go. Thumbs up, guys. Love y'all. Bye bye.